About to go watch some TV. Come on, man. Let's go. Turn it on, man. Turn it on. Yeah.
It's commercial time.
I hate commercials.
Pocket knives are awesome. You can throw it in trees. If you want one, you can call 555 Pocket Knife.
Oh my God, that thing was crazy. It smelled like bang, 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 bang. The tree was awesome. I'm gonna call that number right now. Man, where's that idiot with the pocket knife? Gangstachu, there was something in the mail. Put that thing back in. I'll just leave you to whatever the heck you're doing. Man, this guy's gotta be less careless. Come on, let's gotta put that thing back in, man. Diesel, Tom Anders, why'd you do that? Man, I love this thing, man. Yo, this is so gangsta. Alright, now who should I stab? Or what should I stab? I know, man, I know. Oh, yeah, man. Hey, Tom Anders, come here. Shoot. Why did you do that, man? Oh, I never had a pocket knife. I never did. I'm never using this thing again. And, I'm suing the people for making me do that. Okay? I need a lawyer. People, I need a lawyer.